I have these ceramic letter pieces that I get from the Target Bullseye Dollar Spot. They were $1 each, and I'm going to use some Wise Owl 1 Hour Enamel Clear Primer on them. The primer is just going to help adhere the paint to the ceramic. Now we have clear, white, or gray primer available. And then I'm going to allow those to fully dry once I had them fully covered with the primer. I'm then going to take some Wise Owl Chalk Synthesis paint, and I'm going to be using the color Gray Linen. You could pick any color of your choice, and I'm going to paint all 5 of my letters with the Gray Linen color. Now, I just picked the word hello. You can certainly pick another word of your choice, such as gather or welcome. I guess it really depends on what your Target Bullseye Dollar Spot has available. Once the first coat was fully dry, I did go back and do a second coat for better coverage, and then I placed a coat of some Wise Owl 1 Hour Enamel Clear on top of the paint, and I let everything fully dry. I got these rub-on transfers from the Dollar Tree. They're almost like on a brown wax paper, and they have a ton of different small images, and I'm cutting all the images that I liked off of the sheet of paper. I did grab 2 of the sheets from the Dollar Tree. Most of the images were some flowers. There was a wagon and some garden tools on there as well. You're going to lay it face down onto your letter, and you're going to rub with a popsicle stick, and the image will transfer onto your surface. Now again, I did place a coat of the Wise Owl 1 Hour Enamel Clear after the paint. This will adhere better with a nice slick surface. And I went through each letter and I just added different images from the rub-on transfers that I got from the Dollar Tree. You can certainly customize this to your liking. I did like the small size of these image transfers. They fit nicely on each of the letters. Now I have this piece of wood that was pre-cut to this size. I got this from the Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to paint that with some Wise Owl black paint. And I gave that 1 good coat of the black paint. And then you're just going to allow this to fully dry. Once that was dry, I took some E6000. That's an industrial strength glue. And I'm going to place the E6000 on the bottom of all the letters. And I'm going to adhere them so the letters are standing up on this piece of wood. And I'm kind of placing them in the center so that it sits nice and even. And as you can see, as I'm placing each letter down, there is an opening on the top of each letter that I then took some artificial succulents and greenery that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I just stuck them right in that hole to create this cute little hello floral decor. And there you go. You can also use this as a nice shelf sitter. Thank you so much for watching. Paint products, tissue paper transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage as well. Have a great day.